Hey, what's up everyone? It's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching property tours and learning all things real estate, please make sure to subscribe down below. We'd love for you to join our YouTube family.
Awesome. Yeah, now that you've done that, I'll share with you a little bit about where we find ourselves today. Today we are in the Victory Place neighborhood in East Dallas. We are going to show you the newest new build by Hudson Construction, and it's a beauty. Sheila, share with us a little bit more information.
Sure. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.1 baths. It's 3,559 square feet, and it's currently listed at $1,450,000. It also sits on a 0.195 acres.
Wow, awesome. Well, can't wait to see it. This one's a unique one because it's a single family attached. So duplex, you would say. But anyways, let's go check it out.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour, guys.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Yep. Or if you're interested in actually selling your house, we'd be happy to have that conversation with you so we can show you how to sell your house for top dollar in today's market. Or if you're interested in the market to purchase, please reach out to us or actually schedule a buyer consultation call with us. The link to that is in the bottom. And
yes, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila.
Yes, please. And comment and like. That helps us out with the channel. And guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.